The Keychron K3 Max is a standout in the world of low-profile mechanical keyboards, offering a combination of sleek design, solid performance, and versatile functionality. It's a compact, minimalist option that should be on the radar of anyone in the market for an upgrade. With a price tag of $105, it sits in the affordable range for a wireless mechanical keyboard, but its feature set makes it feel like a premium product. One of the main selling points of the Keychron K3 Max is its low-profile mechanical keys. The slim design doesn't compromise on the feel of the keys themselves. It offers excellent tactility, with an option to choose between quieter or clickier switches, allowing you to tailor the experience to your preference. Whether you're typing for hours or gaming, the feedback remains satisfying without being overly noisy. Switching between devices is incredibly easy thanks to its wireless connectivity options. The keyboard supports both Bluetooth and wired USB-C connections, making it compatible with both Windows and Mac systems. There's a dedicated switch to toggle between PC and Mac modes, and it even includes a swappable Windows and Command key in the package, ensuring smooth integration across platforms. Battery life is another standout feature. On a single charge, the Keychron K3 Max can last several days of regular use. And this impressive endurance is helped by its low power consumption, typical of many low-profile keyboards. This is perfect for anyone who doesn't want to be constantly plugged in or scrambling for a charger. In terms of build, the K3 Max has an understated, minimalist design that fits in with any workspace. Its aluminum body adds a premium touch, and the backlighting further enhances the experience, especially in low-light settings. The keyboard also feels sturdy and solid, with no noticeable flex during use. However, no product is without its downsides. While the low-profile design is sleek, it may take some time to get used to if you're transitioning from a full-sized or standard mechanical keyboard. The key travel is shorter, and the overall typing experience may not appeal to those who prefer deeper key presses. Additionally, the price might be slightly higher compared to some other wireless options on the market, but the quality and performance make it a worthwhile investment for most. Overall, the Keychron K3 Max is a top contender for anyone seeking a compact, wireless, and low-profile mechanical keyboard. Its combination of performance, aesthetics, and battery life makes it one of the best in its class. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile keyboard that offers a premium typing experience in a slim package, the K3 Max is certainly worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.